I'm Wade Crowfoot, California's Natural Resources Secretary, and I am thrilled to welcome you to the Orange County Sustainability Decathlon. We know the impacts of climate change are impacting our lives on a daily basis. Drought, floods, wildfire, extreme heat, sea level rise. These are impacts we're feeling in Orange County, throughout California, throughout the world. We know we have to move further and faster to transition our economy and our lives beyond fossil fuels to a carbon-free future. And that's where the Decathlon comes in, bringing together talented university students to design and build the homes of tomorrow with a minimal carbon footprint, and then inviting thousands of kindergartners through 12th graders to learn about these buildings and all that went into their design and construction. I am so proud of Orange County for holding this decathlon, literally the first and only of its kind in the world. And I'm so eager to learn more about the winning designs and the homes that you're building and what all of the students have and will learn from the decathlon. At the Natural Resources Agency, we're excited to sponsor, to support this decathlon, and wish you the best of success this year.